What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Pristine Auto Clean YouTube channel, and it's Monday, May 10th, I want to say. I didn't take any videos last week. I've been slammed wide open. I've been working 16-hour days. I just don't have enough time. We're going to start this week off doing it right. Got an old Cadillac Seville here. I mean, you can see it's swirled out. I mean, I'm not even going to break the light out for you. This thing's pretty rough. But yep, we're going to start off the week with this one. We got a Cadillac on the way. We're gonna have a slammed week, so you guys won't probably see half these cars, but we're just gonna keep plugging along. Alright guys, got this Cadillac Seville all wrapped up. You got this thing dialed in pretty tight. Interior's all dialed. Scrubbed, conditioned all the leather. Did what we could, but I mean, it's got a bunch of rids in it and stuff. You know, things just kind of resurrected. A lot of clarity in it. Still a lot of defects, but gave it a quick two-step just to knock the heavy holograms out, but for a resale, this car should have no issue selling. On to the next one. Got this CTS in for a full detail, and we finished the interior. Nothing to see there, clean interior, and we're just gonna go around, gonna buff this thing out, and as you can see, we're definitely making some progress. Good morning, everybody. Tuesday, May 11th here, Pristine Auto Clean. Got this silver Impreza. Got a few things left to do on it. We got this blue paint match Jeep Wrangler Sahara edition, and we got this black Audi A6 we're going to be working on today. A couple more poking around, but this is what we're going to be looking at for paint condition. Interior definitely needs some loving. You can see we got crud all in there. We got this thing all dialed in and protected. And stay tuned for the outcome on these. Alright guys, got this Versa interior all wrapped up. A little bit of fuzz, I'll grab that later. Obviously did both sets of floor mats. Underneath there's a lot of brown dog hair in this thing, so it doesn't look like a crazy transformation, but trust me, there's a lot of dog hair in this thing. But that's not a problem for us. Hit all the seats with the upholstery cleaner. Got all the hair out of back here, I mean, as much as I really could. And everything's clean and conditioned, it's dialed in. I'm gonna pop onto the outside now and keep plugging away, and stay tuned for the final product. Got this Versa all wrapped up. Did a full interior detail on it, top to bottom. I mean, if you see the before videos, these wheels are smoked. Went around, ceramic coated, restored the headlights, protected everything with durable sealant. And as you can see, it's looking much better. Deliver this one and jump on to the next one. Keep on going. What's going on, everybody? Friday here at Pristine. Got one day left for the work week. Go to work tomorrow too, but get an Acura TL in here, and for a paint correction, when you're coating, interior detail, just basically in for the works. Get this thing dialed in. As you can see, the paint's definitely seen better days, like a lot of them have, but you probably can see it better on the hood. Pretty jacked up. Let's do a headlight restoration on these the best we can. This is probably one of the worst set of Acura lights I've ever seen, but we'll go right through it, do the motions on it, and get it all dialed in for the customer. Stay tuned, got another one on the way, and I'll keep the ball rolling. That's a real paint correction, guys. This thing is pretty dialed in, not gonna lie. Whew. If you remember this deck lid, look at that thing. Damn. Headlights restored, protected, done right. Check out the hood. Whew.